I'm going to talk in a normal voice so you have some type of reference point towards this exhaust, and I'm not going to hold the phone down there. Now I don't have anybody here, so I can't give you any sound from back there. I'll point this back that way. I don't have the sound deadening that you have in that car, but you can hear, that's my normal voice, and you can hear the car, the noise in the car, the rumble. Again, I think you would have less sound in your car because of the amount of sound deadening that car has and compared to this one. And here's an RPM with it going in here.